Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. In this moment, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Reza Mutia Hermawan, and you can call me Eza or Eja or anything you want. I was born in Tegal, Central Java on 12 September 2002, and now I am 19 years old, and I is a Muslim. I live in Citra Kebun Mas Housing Karawang in the Klari at West Java. I have lived in Karawang 14 years. Before that, I lived in Central Java because my mother from Central Java and my father from Jakarta. So, why my family live in Karawang? Because my father worked in Karawang. I am the first child for two siblings. I have a sister. She is 12 years old right now. I am graduate from senior high school to Karawang, and now I am student in University of Singapura Bangsa Karawang. I took education of Indonesian language and literature as my major. And then I have some hobby. Actually, my hobby is many. There are so many hobby, like reading novel, make cookies and dessert, cooking, and then I like to watching movie like Korean drama, Hollywood, Disney, and more. Other than that, I have interested for learning foreign language, such English language, of course, and then Korean language, because I like to watching Korean drama, so I like to learn Korean language. I have reached level 1 in learning Korean language, and I will to continue study for improve and to be confidently for my skill and be better to my language. So that's my introduction about me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.